For installing a sticker or downloading a sticker, you need to come on your search. So I go on the search and I need to search here sticker. Okay, sticker emoji downloader. So that is the username, Jimmy sticker bot. So you can simply come here. So I am already use it, so that's why I am get that on suggestion. So in case you need to search through that username. However, so what you need to do, first of all, if I try to clear the history, okay, I will clear the history, and then what you need for download a sticker, first of all you need to come here and you need to send a sticker. Suppose I want to download that sticker, so if I send that sticker, you can see that tell me choose a format. Now if you want a transparent background and that can be used on any platform such as on website, on any video, then you can go with GIF. If you want to make some coding or this kind of something, you can go with other everything, and you can try that L for all format. So I will go with GIF. So now if you want to download that in high quality, then you need to buy Pro. So I don't have Pro, I go with that low quality, and you can see downloading with a bit. So that take a time for download that sticker. So in case you need to wait a bit, but if you have premium, that can be performed more fastly. And if you want to avoid this kind of ad, you can simply take the premium, but my suggestion should be not buy any premium of this kind of bot, because that not have a future. So if that is working, use it, no problem. So let me go with any other sticker like this. So I want to download that sticker on MP4 format, and you can see again that asks me premium. So I don't want to go with premium, I go with normal, so I can download it. So that how actually you can install, that how actually you can download a sticker from Telegram. Thank you.